Most companies, if they're starting down this path today, they know they're antiquated. So they're still printing out paper and saying, hey, can you go out and go pick this material for me? And so now we're talking about mobility and having hotspots and, internet inside of warehouses and all these new things. It really is the ability to take this technology, not make it so complex, and make it user-friendly. And the ability to send these digital messages for things that need to be done. Pick materials, move materials, load trucks. Being able to manage all that really controlled from the ERP system itself and pushed out to all those end users. Now I don't have so many footsteps. I have technology in my hand everywhere I'm at. You have the ability, if I can't find my materials, well, where else is it? I can look all those things up.
So Innovate is the worldwide leader in the Microsoft Dynamics SMB space, but we do it in a unique way. We study the industry and we say, here is our industry package for distribution. We've looked at the best practice of distribution companies, and we've put together a package that works extremely well for clients in that space. In the cloud, and particularly with the Dynamics 365, they're already available. So you can now pick from a menu list of items of what do I want to get data from? And because that data is shared, being in the cloud is far safer than being on-prem. You have all of that security built in, you have those different tests that are being run. And so not the cloud alone, but what the cloud enables you to do by hooking to other things is unbelievably valuable and light years ahead of where we were with the on-prem solution versus where we are now with cloud solutions.
If you think about a warehouse operation or a manufacturer, I can have monitors up on the wall and I can see my picks and what's been released. I can see where a production order stands. I can see if equipment's down. All of those visuals now are at everybody's fingertips. Somebody putting a big facility up, and how do I deal with robotics and sensors, and how do I manage my orders and everything moving in and out? That's really a sweet spot that we focus on really strongly in the finance and supply chain space, Microsoft's product, as well as Business Central.
A great example of that is if you're a distribution company and you're trying to forecast inventory, when you start to connect all of that to your global supply chain, now you can put some machine learning against that and you can get very good forecasts of when you should order items and when you should reduce inventory. And that speaks directly to the bottom line. That is all about profitability. Those are the experiences we have with our clients. Those are what they're coming back and saying, wow, I was able to increase my gross profitability by 1%, 2%, 3%. Doesn't sound big, but when you're at a 4 or 5% only to start with, those are massive gains. We all understand the cloud is where everything is going. And the interconnectivity of what you can do once you're in the cloud, once you're running your business on a cloud platform, all of the different areas that you can integrate, all the data you can combine, the artificial intelligence, the machine learning, that all becomes a value proposition for those clients. So as a trusted business advisor, what we do is come in and we help paint the picture of what does the next 2, 3, 5 years look like for your company. And how can we elevate the things that you're doing? But that's what we specialize in, is looking at the SMB industry and then serving both the partners in that industry and the clients in that industry.
Microsoft is spending billions of dollars a year on just the evolution of this tier 1 product set. It's available at your fingertips. It is subscription-based, it is modular. It does have the core operations you'll need for finance, supply chain, and production.